Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are from Group 7. We present on the linear regression projects for Introduction to Statistics course. The title of our project is Hour of Study and Final Grade Among UMT Students. These are our team members. Hi, I'm Niknur Amilin Bintin Hazin, metric number S67582, and today I am going to talk about introduction. The research is on the hours of study and final grade among UMT students. When it comes to getting good grades, many students wonder how much time they should be spending studying. From this, we did a research and explored the relationship between hours of study and final grades. The findings shed some light on this question. The data for this research are obtained by using Google Form that has been filled in by the students. Before we go through, did you know what is linear regression? Linear regression is a data analysis technique that predicts the value of unknown data by using another related and known data value. It mathematically models the unknown or dependent variables and the known or independent variable as a linear equation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisyah Nurani binti Muhammad Azri and my metric number S66471. So here I want to define population and variables for this research. The title for the research is Our Study and Final Grade Among UMT Students. While the population is UMT student means that this research was done among UMT students only. The explanatory variable is hours of study. Meanwhile, the response variable is final grade. Next, the research question is there correlation between hours of study and final grade? Lastly, the hypothesis, students with higher study hours also have higher final grade result.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fasya Husna binti Muhammad Fauzi and my metric number is S67368. I will explain about how we collect the data. The data was collected through a Google form that was disseminated through the medium of WhatsApp. The title of our Google form is Research on Hour of Studying and Final Grade Among UMT Students. This form was filled by UMT students, a total of 20 people. The data collection took 2 days after the Google form was opened. To store the data, we asked students to fill in their hours of study and the final grade that they got last semester.
This is how we create the scatter plot using the Excel. First, click on the chart and choose the scatter plot. After that, click the button on the chart and choose linear. And then click on display equation on chart and display R squared value. Next, click home, option, and then data. Choose the data analysis. Before that, you need to click on the Add Inks button, and after that, click on Data Analysis, and then fill in the column of the X and Y value. Hour of study is the X value. And final grade is the Y value. After you choose the column, and then choose the other columns for the data to be displayed. And this is our summary output. It contains regression statistic, coefficient, standard error, p-value, and other. And we are done.
Here is the result that was represented into a table that we got from the Google form that was filled by 10 different students. Student 1 and 3 hours study is 3 hours and final grade got is 80. While student 2 hours of study is 5 hours and final grade is 90. Student 4 and 7 have the same 1 hour study, but student 4 got 50 and student 7 got 70. Student 5 hours of study is 3 hours and final grade is 60. Student 6 and 8 study for 2 hours but student 6 got 80 and student 8 got 70. Student 9 and student 10 both got 70 for final grade and hours for both are 3 hours. We see here almost 45% student got 70 mark for their final grade. Even the study hours are different. Why? 30% student got 80 marks and 15 student got 60 and the rest are the percentage student got 90 and 50.
Next, I will explain about finding. First, y prime equal to a plus bx, 55.645 plus 6.2903x. Correlation coefficient r equal to 0.650. H null is p equal to 0, h1 is p not equal to 0. To find critical value, we must find degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is n minus 2. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Alpha is 0.05. Then the critical value is 2.306. Then we find t. T equal to r square root n minus 2 per 1 minus r. Then the answer is 2.419. So the conclusion is we accept HO and we accept H null. Then at alpha 0.05, there is a relationship between hours of study and final grade. I think that's all from us. Thank you.